How many of me do you see? Two? There's only one mommy. Okay. There's two Maxes. I don't know. We can't have two Maxes.
There's four of them.
They're normal.
That's so big.
They're not.
So big.
Okay, if you say so.
What's Max?
Upstairs in bed. He doesn't feel good.
But he just answered the door.
Yeah, he came down to help me open the door so I could get you in the house. And then he went back to bed because he doesn't feel good. Okay?
But he looks fine to me.
But what? He looks fine to you? Well, he doesn't feel good. Okay? Did you only see one Matt or did you see two? You don't know. What's so funny? What's so funny?